Yes, that was the result. Do you recall?
Well, the past doesn't really reflect in my brain very well, you know? Yeah.
The past.
Yeah.
So the only time it does reflect well is when you remember winning, but not us, the tens of times.
No. I just remember the last time, but the times way beyond that, like, it's so hard to register up here. I can't I'm like, did she win me though? Like,
yes.
You know? Yeah, I can't really recall. So you gotta prove yourself in order to reclaim your title, okay?
I don't have to prove anything. I already have my title.
No.
Yes, I do. That's why Matt lives rent-free in your mind. You know who Matt is.
Who is Matt?
Oh, no, you're not going to play that game. You're not going to play that game.
Oh. No. Oh, there's a guy over there. His name is Matt.
Yeah. As if you forgot. As if you have forgotten. You were talking crap on his name.
Me? Oh, hey, Matt. I don't know who you are. I don't know if you're broke or... Well, technically, you're part of the Moon teams. I know. Maybe. But... Bless up, bro. What's poppin'? You good?
Oh, God.
Recharge, team.
Should we cook him, guys? Should we cook him?
Recharge, my team. Recharge. My ladies, we are big on our push.
Should we cook him, guys? Let's freaking cook him, guys. I want to cook him, yo.
I think they're saying no. They're scared as hell.
My people are not saying no. They're saying let's go.
Oh.
Yeah, they're saying let's go.
I thought they were scared for a minute.
You think the Moonies are scared? Yeah, the Moonies are never scared. Let's go.
Send them requests. Do it. Let's do it.
All right, Moonies, we got this, guys. Come on.
We got this. First triple. Team. First double. We have to dominate this. We don't know when we're going to get that triple. We are begging for some help. We have to go. Empty the clip. We are begging to empty the clip on a serious match this in a team. We can't play that match. A serious match this team. We need gloves. We need everybody on the next double. Go, my ladies. Go on the double. 11 nuggets how we need them. 11 nuggets chatter we need them. Marshilla, thank you. 11 nuggets how we need them, team. 11 nuggets how we need them. 11 nuggets how we need them. Use up a double. Tracy, thank you, team. 11 nuggets. Nobody feel like she go crazy. Me, I tell you, our team's strong. So, and big up yourself. Me need everybody help, team. Jesus Christ, no. We need everybody help. Who have gloves in my chat? Come in, team. A tango, we have got tango now, you know. Angie, thank you. A war, we there, you know that, though. A tango, we have got tango now. Who have gloves in my chat, team? Who have gloves in my chat, team? Alright, mommy. Keep it. Who else have gloves? How much gloves you have, moms? 1 or 2? Who else have gloves? Joey Jones, thank you. Team, can be gonna one more money gonna take this off of me. Me, I beg on some help. Another one match we are playing now. Alright then. Who else have our next gloves? Mommy, me I go want the gloves there on the 30. Carlin, thank you. We are going to want the gloves there in 30 seconds. Authentic, holy for love, you know. We are want the gloves there in 30 seconds here. Or pan the speed. Yes, we can. Thank you. Sean, thank you. Holy for love, you know, Sean. Pamela. Thank you, Pamela. Holy for love, you know, Pamela. Stop, and rose. Taps and rose, team. Rule, thank you. Holy for love, you know, Pamela. 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 Stop, and rose. Taps and rose, team. Rule, thank you. Who else have a gloves? Me more of my people them have gloves, you know. Share up a live to Moni G and them and see if them have gloves, cause they were here with me. Who else other from Twiggy have gloves? Power tap your life. Team, who else have a gloves? Who else have a gloves? I know more of my people them have gloves. Who else have a gloves? Who else have a gloves, my team? Come in, team, come in, come in. Locked in, focus, locked in, focus. Locked in, focus, locked in, focus, locked in, focus. Thank you, my team. Who else have a gloves? Desiree, thank you. Team, share up your life to my people. And tell them I beg them some help, please, yeah? Nikki, big up yourself, you know. T, Tony and Double T, you know, there. And Chiny K. And Precious. Tell them, share your life to them, no? Tell them so we are beg them some help, team. Share life to them, team. Tell them so we are beg them a push. You see, team half a winner. We need them level nuggets, the team. Alright then, chat. Who else have the gloves, team? Who else have a gloves? Who else have a gloves? Alright, we are going to drop the gloves for 30 seconds. And we are going to go crazy. Oh, we'll start. Alright then. Twiggy, you drop your one after this, mommy. Go, go, go now, my team. Go. Go now, my team. Go, 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 go. Right, thank you. Go, go, my team. Go, everybody go, everybody go, everybody go, everybody go. Everybody go, Tiana. Big up yourself, you know. Go, go, my team. Ginger Lily. Thank you. Go, clip on the gloves and go. 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 Sexy Changi, thank you. Clip on the gloves and go. Clip on the gloves and go. Clip on the gloves and go. Shit, clip on the gloves. Love clock, there you know. Shit! Sexy Changi, thank you. Go, 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 go. Twiggy, where you there with the next gloves? The girl win me, you know. Wait, Twiggy there with the next gloves. Morgan, thank you. Twiggy, you're dropping gloves in the head. Snipe, 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 gloves, snipe, snipe, snipe. Ginger Lily, thank you. Snipe, snipe. Bumbo blood, yes. Blood clot, yo. Your blood clot, yo. Yes. Wife me.
Like a Zeus, a lion, a freaking interstellar. How many galaxies was that? Oh my god, Matt! Yo, there were so many of you going crazy too. Oh my god, Casey, I saw a private jet tatted. Holy hell! Thank you so much, Matt. With all of my heart, dude. What the hell, guys? Holy crap, guys! I know we lost the 10-piece, but it's literally like completely fine. I know that we lost, but.
11
like,
piece.
It literally feels like a win. Holy freaking crap. What?
11 piece. 11. I'm just correcting you, you know.
11 piece?
Yeah.
No, it was a 10-piece. 11.
Because I screenshotted it.
Oh, you screenshotted it? What, are you going to frame it on your wall?
Let me talk to you for a minute.
Thanks for the become Kinabari.
Let me talk to the moon for a minute. I know even the person in your number one bubble. I know it's a bit hard, but I have some coupons for you and food stamps. I could go ahead and send it to you guys.
Dude, are you actually serious? Matt just dropped a Zeus, a lion, an interstellar. I don't even know how many galaxies. Okay, let's not forget the time you got a haircut for our battle. Okay, you got your haircut nice. You dressed up. You thought it was a special occasion, right? You had them waiting for I don't even know how long. Congratulations.
The villain in me. Well, the villain in me, chat. We cooked her. Yes! Thank you, my team. Woo! Why if you big up yourself? Everybody will support my Morgan, mommy. Thank you. Why, chat? Chat, power up your life. Chat, you never have to be. Chat, a smarty pitney, you know? No, for true, man. A smarty pitney. You could have take time with her. But team, we not stop it at nothing right here, so. We ranking, we are big on a small push. Bro, how much people you see on TikTok? You know how much views me I see right there, sir? Help me over there with 11k people, you know? Bamba. And me over here so with 3 grand. Team, power tap your life, them team. Please and thanks. Everybody who just join the live. We are begging some power tap there for me there, please. You know, go tell Alice me and shout him. Tell Alice me and shout him. Power tap your life. If you can share up your life there, team. Caroline, big up yourself, you know. Big up yourself, you know. Whole heap of love, you know, Caroline. Team. Oh God, man, big up on yourself. No, man, team, we never have to go so crazy, man. Alice, them know one thing we don't know. Yes, when I say walk out and chalk out, walk out and chalk out. Whole heap of love, my team. I really appreciate on the chat. Everybody will forward over here can support me. Big up on yourself, chat. Yes, what I say? Boy, I'm not lie. Team, I beg you to call the squad for me there. I beg you to call the squad for me there. Please and thanks, my chat. I beg you to call the squad for me there, chat. You see it? Easy no man, Morgan, man, I know. Call some of my ladies, them tell them say we're there, so we are all a vibe. And we are beg them a little small support. Not no much, just a small one. I have a whole heap of something that they say, you know. Boy, well, Ali there, you might play a match? Ali, I play a match, chat? Oh, who am I play with? One foreign youth? I must see. Why do you have to go away from my... Oh. Power tap your life there, my chat. Power tap your life there. Everybody who just join the live, we are begging us on taps there on the screen there. Please and thanks, my team. If we can go ahead and share up your live team and just do the same there, please and thanks. Yeah, my ladies. Thank you, girl. Boy, yesterday was a hectic day, team. I will forward out. Come here. You see it. And when I realize the one time when I talk up, cause everybody know me, team. I don't really talk, I don't really say nothing much. Especially when it pertaining to thing over TikTok. Yes, I can't bother with the bring down, bro. I just love it alone. I don't really talk about issue over here. Here's what I say. One time I talk about an issue, bro. Here's what I say. Defending the girl. I gotta tell you something when I realize with people. It's like me alone people have strength for. Me no understand. It's like a me alone I weak fence, bro. Me have to wonder if you hear something about me. And me come over here and tell you so I can't fight, you know. Remember me come over here and tell you so I can't fight. So what the deal with me? Like, me not understand what the deal with me. Yes, what me I say? Bro, me not have to say nothing to get bring down, you know. Me not have to say a word, bro. Nobody, and more, you know which question more ask, you know? Where do you guys get on information from? I'm on the screen record and catch this. Everybody that is in beef with themselves and thinks me and them in a beef, where you get information them from? Cause me not understand, you know. Everybody were over here, we call my name. Them say, me send out a threat to them. The way uno love prove things. If me send out a threat to uno via call, me never depend on call it, so uno can't come say talk or me send out threat to uno. Me never text uno on the inbox, uno can't come screenshot say me send uno no text. Then someone say me send indirect threat. Where uno I get uno information them from, bro? Because uno make trouble with me not so no. And me come over here and tell uno say, bro, me not no bad man friend or family and me can't war, no, bro. That's why me stay up, me keep out a problem, you know. Where is like every single body. If tomorrow somebody come in the morning and diss me up, me not see them, you know. If them come in the morning and diss me up, by tonight, me see them on live again. Bro, somebody will send out something to my phone, share something to me and say, what is? I say, me don't even know, I not even pay no mind. So my time then when people send me things where people say about me, I don't look on it. Because, as you know, me have feelings, bro. Yes, what me I say, I don't want it break my spirit. So I don't watch it. You see, words like if I read all the caption, and I see a style, them I try style me night, I don't watch it. Yes, what me I say? So somebody we go so boom and send me something, say somebody has said about me. And from the caption night, I see a style, I try style me. Me no bother listen to it. And then tonight, in the night, me start here. Remember say, bro, everybody knows say me not come out control nobody or say nothing, bow nobody or do nothing. You see what me I say? So when them come make problem with me now, then come back in the night again and say, me a threaten them. And it's everybody we fast with me, bro. Me not understand, you know. When me a send threat to you for. Yo, what's up, bro?
5 days later, you want a battle?
Yeah, I'm kind of happy now, bro. I wasn't happy for the last few days.
You should have battled me when I told you. I told you control the controllable, and what you cannot control, you give it to God. You don't listen to me.
I always beat you.
What the fuck is that? You always beat me. I tell you what to do about real life. You talking about you beat me in a battle? Are you stupid?
I can't control it, bro. If I'm mad, I'm just mad.
No, bro, you cannot do that.
I'm telling you, bro. I'm being honest.
I'm telling you, bro. I'm telling you, bro. Bring your friend. Bring your friend play.
Let me see.
Bring your friend play. Me and Damien together. You and your friend together.
Me and my friend together.
Yeah, you and your friend together.
Let me see. Bro, you know that a lot of people over here don't really have smoke like that, like you guys, bro.
You and your bomba calat. If that sounds good to you. Guys, share a live, bro. Share a live and tap, bro. Share a live and tap for it. Go stop!
Hey, I'm going for somebody with a small team. I whoop you guys' ass. Watch this.
Oh, he's talking too much, Damien. Guys, tap, share.
Hold on, I'm going for somebody with a small team.
You're a small boy.
To blood clot.
Add your mama glad.
Akim, you good, bro?
But there, man, bro.
You still
You
check
good?
man, bro?
Eh?
Still take man?
You go for man, bro, man. No just.
Just.
No good, man, bro.
Up for the game.
Me, I'll wait for somebody. You get somebody, bro.
Who do you want me to get?
Let me see.
I don't know.
Let me see. Let me add Bella. 1 second. Let me add Bella.
You get one Supreme, Akim. You know your name good?
Supremo?
I'm good.
Yeah.
Supremo!
Yeah, I'm good, bro. I'm good. You?
Supreme, Supreme.
Add.
I know even my comic, I'm saying.
Team. Me that try add Moon, but Moon not accept me because just try to beat her, and me can't add Edward because Edward and this a man have beef. I never know that. Edward and Ali have beef, so I can't add it. Tracy, what's up, bro? I need your help. What's up, Tracy? What's up, bro? I need your help.
Bro, you calling me saying you need my help? I'm scared of these two.
Bro,
What?
let's smoke these niggas, bro.
Yo, I got a crazy streak, bro, and I'm really trying to chill right now, man. But
Oh,
Let's go, bro. Best out of 3, bro. Let's go, bro.
nah, I
best
don't
out
do
of 3,
best.
bro.
I don't do best out of threes, gangy. I only answer because my dog was knocking. I'm gonna have to slide though, Rosalie.
okay, bro. No problem,
Yo,
Tracy.
yeah,
I'm
I'll see you in a second. Yes, sir.
Slide,
Okay,
dude.
take
Keep it
care of yourself,
sliding.
bro.
Keep it sliding. Keep it sliding, bro. You heard what I
Well,
said?
hello,
I said keep it
man.
sliding.
Leave
You
him
wanna
alone,
get
Ali.
your scared ass out of here then.
Ali,
Get out!
Hey,
Play
Ali,
like a
chill,
man
bro.
or live like a scared little boy. You can take the challenge or live like a little dog.
Tracy, don't listen to him.
Listen to me, I am king, and you listen to me. If you want to play, be a man and play. And you want to live, tell us all that you are a small little boy. Maybe a little girl, I don't know, have to check. Now tell me, Mr. Trace, or Mr. Lemmy Tracy, it doesn't matter. You want to play us, or you want to run?
Tracy keeps strong enough.
You want to play
Yeah,
us,
that's
or you
the
want to slide like it's a water park?
Tracy, I won't let him talk to you like that, bro.
I don't talk to this man any type of
Oh, you
way.
let him talk to
But
you
I
like
feel
that. What we
like
doing,
he's a
Tracy?
scared little boy, so I wanted to remind him that you are a man, not a little boy.
Tracy,
you gonna play us?
take that.
Yo, pretty motherfucker with all the mouth. You got one? I give you one.
You give us one game.
I give
Yeah.
you one game.
Okay, I like that.
Let's do it.
Let's
Tracy,
go.
Don't worry, I got you, bro.
All right.
You got
Let's
one
do
game.
it.
Damien, you got gloves.
Yeah, I got gloves, bro.
Use bro in
No
all
gloves,
3
no
speeds.
gloves. No gloves. One game, no gloves.
Use the gloves. He need them all. Use the gloves.
Okay, use the gloves. Okay,
You got one
bro.
game. You got one game.
Yeah.
Damien, you send it.
Tracy,
Damien, you
got
send it. Guys, everyone step up right here, bro. Everybody step up right here together, bro. Everybody step up right here together, bro. Everybody pick one gift and triple.
Let's do it, team. Let's do it.
He
Hey,
got
the game-
67 wins.
Hold on. The game start.
I don't see the battle.
I don't see the battle, bro.
I don't see the battle.
No,
I see the battle.
Yeah,
I see the battle.
We cancel
I
the
see the
battle.
battle.
I can't
We
see
not
the battle, bro.
we not canceling shit. I see the battle.
He cannot see it either.
It's a battle going on. You got 1.5. I see it.
I don't see it. Damien, cancel it.
We not canceling shit.
If
No,
I,
if they
if I cancel it, you keep your streak.
We not canceling a motherfucking thing. I see the battle.
I'm telling you, I cannot see the score, bro. I can show it to you.
The score is
It's 0-0.
Okay, you right. It's 0-0.
Look, it's zeros and nobody. It doesn't show anything.
Okay.
I'm gonna cancel it. You lost this game, so now you have 68. You're welcome.
Power tap your life team.
All right, you send the game. Rosalia's husband, you send the game.
Yo, Rosalie, I'm out of here, man. I don't got time for this shit.
Ali, I trouble the man till the man getting them feelings, you know, bro. What's wrong with you, bro?
Oh my God! Add him back.
He's not gonna come back.
Why we couldn't see the score, bro?
But I couldn't see it either, so I was with you. Like, I couldn't see it. I couldn't
Add
see
him
the
back.
game.
Add him back. Add him back.
Ali, mate.
Yeah, I got the Josh just now. It didn't go. Give me 1 second, chat. Let me see if I get in.
He's not coming. You keep declining me, bro.
Keep requesting him.
No, I don't spam requests, bro.
Yes, you spam request me fucking 500 times yesterday. You can spam request him for 5 times.
Because they're not fucking answering you, weirdo.
I don't care, bro. Open the game.
I'm gonna use my friend right here, beat your fucking ass. Ezekiel was popping, bro.
What you doing, my brother?
My day, man, my dog. Yo, Ezekiel. Make them know say I'm a printer. You see it? We are playing a game, we are gonna smoke.
Yo,
them. Come in.
Akim,
All right.
no viewers, you know, bro.
Don't worry, Ed, you got smoke.
Alright, come on, guys. Let's stop up the screen, guys.
Come in, team, let's do it.
Come on, guys. Let's
First triple, my team.
Guys, double tap, man. Play together here. Pick one, give triple. Take it 7 wins.
We just come together and just everyone.
Guys, pick one, give triple.
A triple will get me. A triple will get me. A triple. Thank you, my ladies. Go on the triple. Go on the triple. Go on the triple. If we can drop big on the triple, make a drop big on the triple team. If we can drop big on the triple, make a drop big on the triple team. Nobody good like only triple will get. If we can drop big on the triple, make a drop big on the triple team. Make a drop big. Swan, thank you. Swan, thank you. Go, ladies. Go.
Thank you so much, guys. Use up the triple. Come on, guys. Let's go.
Twiggy mama, thank
Triple
you.
side.
Come in, my team. Power tap your life. Pamela Wally Palov. Pamela Wally Palov.
Use up the
Thank you, my
triple.
team. Thank you, my team. Pamela, thank you. Come in,
Come on,
Ezekiel.
let's
May I
go.
bring you in our big leagues?
Yeah, brother.
Not so nice. Thank you.
Come on, beside.
Wally
Let's
Palov.
go. Use up the
TRJ,
triple.
Wally Palov. You know, come in, my team. Power tap your
Come
life, my team.
on,
Power
guys.
tap your life. Power tap your life, my team. Power tap your life.
Come on, team. Let's go.
Yo, Ezekiel, you have gloves over there?
No, you know, me not nobody have no gloves.
Ask them.
And you have no gloves, guys. Can't drop it. Any gloves there, guys? Can't drop our gloves.
Team, we have gloves in our
Come on,
chat.
guys. Let's go.
You have gloves in our chat, my
Turn up
team.
some donuts, turn up some things for ice cream, guys. Come on, guys. Let's go.
Power tap your life, my team. Power tap your life.
Thank you so much, team. Thank you so much, guys. Any gloves? Anybody have no gloves?
Power tap your life, my team.
Come on, let's go. Power tap, team. Power tap and show up the score, guys. Show up the score. Come on, guys.
All right, team, is a double. We have gloves. Can jump on a double. Who have a gloves, team? Nobody know no gloves over here, you
Come
know?
on, team. Tap up the screen.
The game will win. No gloves for the
Come
double.
on, guys.
One more gloves, my team.
Let's go.
If we never can get a gloves
Guys.
for the double, you see? I'm sorry for them. If we could have get a gloves for the double, I'm
I think
sorry
I
for
used
them,
it 2
chat.
times.
Come in, go double,
Come on,
go
guys,
double,
let's
go
do
double,
five
go double,
times.
go double, team,
Alright.
go double, push my ladies, go doubles.
Come
Go
on, guys,
doubles, my
let's go
ladies,
for
go
the
doubles,
double,
rule,
guys.
thank
Let's go,
you.
guys, let's go,
Go
let's
for
go.
the double, go for the double, go for the double.
Use the
Marshilla,
double,
Wally
guys,
Palop,
use
you
the
know.
double.
Go for the double, my ladies. If
Come
we
on,
have a gloves,
use
make
the
a drop
double,
it on the
use the
double
double,
too.
use the double.
Go. Team snipe.
Use the double. Thank you so much,
Gorgeous,
guys.
thank you, team snipe,
Use
team
the
snipe,
double.
team snipe. Team
Use
snipe,
the
my team.
double,
Team
use the
snipe.
double. Let's go,
Not so
sir. Use
nice.
the
Thank you.
double.
Snipe, snipe,
Come
snipe,
on,
my team.
guys.
Snipe, 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 my lady. Snipe, snipe.
Thank you so much.
Snipe, my
Thank you
lady.
so much,
Snipe,
team.
snipe,
Come on,
snipe,
them,
snipe.
guys. Let's go,
Snipe,
let's
my
go.
team.
Snipe them, guys.
Ladies,
Use the double,
push,
guys.
push. Rochelle,
Come on,
thank you,
guys,
Rochelle.
let's go.
Go,
Use
go,
the
go,
double.
go, go. With the
6
close, with the close to them. Not the far, you know.
Come on, guys.
Them
Come
not
on,
the
come
far
on.
off, you know, ladies.
Come on, man, team,
Them not
man.
the
Come
far
on,
off,
team.
you know,
Let's go, let's
ladies.
go. Team, I got you, and team.
All right.
Let's go,
Thank
guys.
you, my ladies. All right, team. In there.
Come on, guys.
Them
Let's
the
go.
18K ahead of we.
Come on,
Nano
guys.
clubs,
Let's go, let's
Ezekiel,
go.
them nano clubs over there, bro.
No, them not no gloves, you know. The gloves not there.
Team, man.
Guys, everyone tap my nose, huh?
Come on, guys. Let's go. Let's go.
Everyone tap my nose.
Alright, show up the score, guys. Come on, team. Let's go. Let's go. Everybody, share up the live, guys. Share up the live. And let's go. Show up the speed,
Uncle Jerry,
guys.
level 50, welcome. Yeah, welcome, level 50.
Come on, guys. Come on, guys. Let's
Welcome,
go.
King.
Show up the score, guys.
Welcome,
Snipe.
Astora. Me got
let's
number
go.
1 year,
Snipe,
you
guys.
was not
Snipe,
here. Holy
snipe,
hell,
snipe.
you were picking up cans, no good like this. Holy hell.
Snipe, team. Snipe. Let's go, guys.
Go over what happened to you last night.
Snipe.
I took a number 1 for you.
Snipe. Snipe.
You
snipe,
never
snipe,
50 or
team.
70 top 1. I told you be careful out.
Snipe.
Yeah, big man, team.
Come on, team. Snipe.
Bye bye.
Snipe. Snipe.
Bye, 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 bye.
Come on, guys. Let's go. Let's go.
Guys, times 5 together.
Guys,
Snap together, you got 7 wins over there.
Team, we nano
Snap
clubs.
together, you got 7 wins. Play together.
We are
Come
getting
on,
nano
team. Let's
clubs.
go. Snipe.
Oh, God.
Snipe. Come on, guys.
Oh, thank you.
Come on, guys. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Snipe, team. Snipe. Snipe.
Thank you, Rule.
Thank you so much.
Man, you are baller. Thank you, no rule.
Thank you so much.
Pamela.
So much.
Thank you.
Oh, God, Jerry.
Man, thank you so much, man.
I fight to protect.
Thank you so much.
Holy hell.
It's first to three. That's only one.
Uncle
Guys,
Jerry
come on,
Mullen.
let's go.
Uncle Jerry Mullen, MVP freaking
Thank you
chat.
so much.
Cat and Alicia. F77 Anna.
Give up a likes, guys. Let's go.
Thank you, my ladies. Wally
Thank you
Palo.
so much. Everybody was
Thank you, my
supporting. Thank you
ladies.
so much. Wally Palo.
Swan.
Guys, if you haven't sent a heart, we send a heart, Uncle Jerry. Thank you so much, bro.
Let's go. Let's go, guys.
Rule my
Guys, we have 3 new gifts. We have seen one of them. The dragon. We have a new dragon. We have a new Thunder Falcon. And we have a new Phoenix.
Thank you.
Okay? Akim Vibe, how are you? Akim Vibe, welcome. Throw against him a lion.
Everybody was
I have a
support.
lawyer Lil has him throw against him
Why
a
not?
lion.
Bless up on
One line against them.
Thank you so much. She got alive, guys.
Damon, you have gloves? Please, bro, please. Huh? Okay. Uncle Jerry, holy hell!
Come on.
Akim
let's
dropped
go.
one line against
We'll
him.
use the
Laugh.
first bonus, guys.
Akim dropped one line. I know you love him.
That 3
Me go
times.
try to show the big gift for the first triple. If we do that,
Move
Use the chipper. Use
Them
the
clear.
What
chipper.
do you want me to move to?
first triple, first triple.
Drop one line.
Come on, guys. Use the
2
chipper.
laugh.
First triple.
Come on, guys. Use the chipper, guys. Use the chipper.
Money go shot.
First triple.
Let's go.
Gorgeous, thank you.
Use the chipper, guys.
Uncle Jerry with the lion!
First triple, not nice. Cool,
Uncle
thank you.
Jerry!
Use the first triple.
Get him back. Everybody else pick 1, give triple. Everybody else pick 1, give triple.
Use the chipper.
Everybody pick 1, give triple, guys.
Go, ladies,
Come on, chat. Use the chipper. Use
Everybody
the
pick 1, give triple.
Go for the triple. Go.
Come on, guys. I'll leave it.
Everybody pick 1, give triple.
chipper. Use
Thank
the
you.
chipper.
Wipe it.
Come on, guys.
Uncle Jerry!
Come on, guys. Let's go.
I told Akim to drop me a lion. She didn't drop a lion. She went over there and dropped a lion. This will be bad for you guys.
No.
She got the score.
This will
She
be
drop
bad
it
for you guys too.
Together
Thank you so much,
we
Forty.
are.
Let's go.
Together. No, my girl. Hey,
So much, yes,
that's the second one
Thank you
too.
so much. Thank you so much.
That's the second one she sent me.
She better keep them coins. She gonna fucking need it this game.
Appreciate you guys. Thank
She
you.
gonna need it this game.
Together. Ezekiel! Yo!
Damien,
Yeah, man, yeah,
you
man.
gonna need it again.
That's on the winning side now. So
You about to piss me off now, Kim.
Come on, guys. Let's go.
Hey, everybody.
Watch, look
Oh
at the
God, the girl will
score.
send me the lion. The girl will send me lion. Want everybody
Come
to
on!
my wife
Come on,
in
guys. Come
I
on,
chat.
guys. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go.
Want everybody to go Rochelle and wife in I chat team.
Under exclusive,
Big up Rochelle and
there's a
big
new
up wife
Thunder
in I chat
Falcon.
team. Big up
Under
Rochelle and big
exclusive,
up
there's a new
wife.
Thunder Falcon.
Big up
And in
Rochelle
the
and
gift
big up
section,
wife
Come on,
in
guys.
we have a
Time,
new-
look at the speed.
the small Phoenix
Tell
is
your
26,000.
And
a dragon.
Big up it. Come on, tell me.
Let's go. Let's
Team, big up the queen and big up Rochelle.
You have seen the dragon.
That's so good.
We haven't seen the Thunder Falcon and the Phoenix.
Double.
If you can now find it, it's okay.
Go double.
Guys, use up the double.
Do not have to do anything.
Come on, guys. Let's go. Let's
Damn
go.
it,
Let's
glove.
go.
Them are gonna chop a gloves. Use the glove, use the double team, use the double. Rule, thank you. Everybody go on a team, we not win, you know. Team, we not win.
Let's go. Let's go. Let's go.
Go,
Come
my
on,
team, we
let's
not
go.
win.
Let's
We
go.
not
Let's
tell you,
go.
no
Use up the
man.
double, guys. Use up the double,
We not win.
Uncle Jerry!
guys. Guys, snipe, please, snipe.
Uncle!
It's a club.
Guys, everybody will pass to snipe. Use up the double now, guys.
Can't
Use up the
snipe
double.
this. Better we easy with blood clot self. Not so nice, thank you.
What go on over there?
Watching blood clot.
Oh my God!
So there.
Oh my God!
Trouble there, guys.
Uncle Jerry!
No man, that's okay.
Come on, guys. Trouble there.
Oh my God!
Trouble there.
Time swipe professional, bro. Oh my God! Damien Glove. Damien Glove.
Wife, thank you, no my baby.
Come on, guys. Let's
Holy
go.
Palace wife, thank you.
Yeah, everybody has.
If you got a new Uncle Jerry, you have a new dragon, new Phoenix, not the Phoenix in the exclusive, the other Phoenix. There's 26,001, and then we have that gift that you just sent. Holy shit! And you sent the Pegasus,
Thank
and
you.
you sent the Leonardo da Vinci.
Come on, guys. Team, you don't know what
Guys, if it's not updated, it will still send a new gift. It will still send a new gift.
Team, no,
When you
you
click
can't
on
send
the
me
Thunder
something
Falcon, it still send a new gift. That's what I believe.
Come on, guys. Let's
They probably just didn't update
Team,
the
I
icon.
want one gift for one total fault, you know, my ladies.
Oh my God, what a game.
come on, team, guys.
Oh my God.
Anything you can get,
Thank
guys.
you, my team.
They all look the same. It's just the animation will be different.
That's two, chat.
The graphics are the same for me. Oh, you don't
Yeah,
see
one
the
of me
new
blend with the gloves.
when Uncle Jerry sent a Falcon.
That's
You didn't
a
see the new
different
Falcon.
Wifey! Rochelle! Thank you,
Come on,
wifey.
guys, let's
Rochelle, me appreciate you know. One
shit,
love,
guys,
sissy
everybody.
poo. Big up, you know, one love.
Well, that's
So
what I
what?
Everybody, they live with it.
See, so one roll.
Make sure everyone update the app, bro.
Caroline.
Uncle Jerry, did you see the new Falcon?
I really appreciate it. Come in, chat. That's 2-0.
With a golden glove F77.
Team,
Neve,
Send the
Simone.
match.
well done.
Uncle Jerry, did you see the new Falcon?
You guys come give us strength.
I mean, you already sent it, so. Hopefully there will be some edits. Yeah, well, people will post it, guys.
That is it.
Only one I threw.
Big up Rochelle team. When big up Rochelle in our chat too.
You sent two, bro. You didn't send one. Hey, what's going on? Hey, bring that guy here. Bring the other guy here.
Oh.
The other guy that was here, whatever his name was.
He's not gonna come, bro. I'm telling you.
Bring him here and then we'll battle him. Tracy.
Alright, Ezekiel.
Yeah.
Uncle Jerry, thank
We
you so much.
circle with my boss.
Uncle Jerry, thank you so much, bro.
Man.
Yo, big up yourself, you know, bro. You
Big
good?
up
Me a
self.
connect Ezekiel. Me see
Big
y'all link, you know,
down.
but me did busy, bro.
Small down, big up.
Come here.
Hey, leave my friend alone no more. Right?
Bro, come on, bro. Because if you ever send a hard, we send out Uncle Jerry, thank you so much.
Okay, go Ezekiel.
Bring that guy.
It's not answering.
Okay, you haven't even tried.
Hold up.
Add him.
It's declining me, bro. You see, you guys, he's declining me. He's not adding. I think he's scared of you, bro.
It's okay, it's okay. I'll be back, man. I'll be back. 1 second.
Alright, dear man, go and do it, you know.
And you follow me too.
Eh?
Me say you follow me too. If you want, bro.
Alright.
Oh, come on, bro.
Look around one of them.
Tell Rosalie for one black pay. Remember, me not get that type of smoke. Oh, Rosalie, we not shoot. So Rosalie, you not go shoot me down now. We can run one.
Alright then. No problem.
Hey, man, you say something wrong, bro.
Me?
You say something wrong. Try send a match.
You send it.
The last send. That'll work.
Team big on the 2 wins here. We just have big on a push.
Yeah.
Come in, team. We are big on a push, my team. We are big on a push. We are big on a push. Huh?
Yo, bro, I treat them and I see Rose for you know. I miss Rose though, bro.
Rose there, man.
Tell she to come now.
Come here, I go tell her. I'm live on live.
She that Rose, you hear me?
What a plan.
I miss you, you know.
Oh, she not forward on.
She said no. Bombo clock let me go give she one lay and the kitty now or one puss. Me I got decide Rose.
What a life. What?
Me I give you bail money, Rose. Come.
What a life. What a life. What a life. What a life, my team.
Something with
Yes,
that
we're not
Rose.
even-
But
we're
we
not
don't
even
mean to Rose. We just ask Rose a question. Rose go and block my bombo clock.
I be a mind game you use from people still, you know. Feel like you can use your mind from people. You see it, bro. And you see people when I disrespect you, I gotta tell you something, you. We are Jamaican, you have to learn principle, bro. You see people when I disrespect you, you don't disrespect them, bro. You see it? And it's a reason why people don't disrespect you, because they don't want to be disrespected. You understand what I mean? In a real life.
Yeah, try play mind game with me now. You tell me how for me for troll.
Bro, watch you now. You're not gonna change, you know, my dog. Go on do your things still. Big up yourself.
Bro,
dog.
let me tell you something.
Power tap your life, them, my team. Everybody who just join the live. Power tap your life, the please and thanks. Cause you all come on screen. Rose me a bail money. Woman hungry, bro. Power tap your life, them, my team. And not even that chat. It's a man where thank you, baby. Thank you, baby. Oh, thank One wife life on the app. Never fucking two. One. If present miss. Blood clot. Present miss. Present miss. Jesus Christ. Woo! Chat. Thank you. Thank you, thank you, thank you, thank you. Thank you, my team.
What up, brother?
What's poppin'?
What you doing, bro? You wanna run a game or you just kind of vibing with your chat?
Can do one. You got
Okay.
smoke?
I don't know, man. I never know. You never know.
Okay, let's do it.
Nah, I might have a little bit, but if you want, we'll see that.
Team, Bumbo Cloud, hold on. Team, want to spam up that girl in the chat, please. Shoot. Jesus Christ, me not put on the socks yet. Put on the socks. Put on the socks, team. First triple, first triple, first triple, first triple, first triple. First triple, pussy clot. Use that first triple on my team. Wife! Money G, thank you. Rochelle, no. No, do not clap. Rochelle! Why fear Rochelle? No. Jesus.
I know, Kathy. It's all good, Kathy. Hold. Wait, let it go. Let him do his thing. This man's
Shut.
strong. He's strong.
How think you were like not sure?
Like it's your job.
Kathy, let him. Kathy, hold your stuff for another game. This is crazy. GG's on his end though. His team's
I
crazy,
think that's
man.
smart.
Yo, you crazy, brother. You crazy,
Sorry.
brother. I'm afraid of you, dog. I'm afraid of you. I'm out. Holy shit. Guys, just let him, let my man. Let the mans get the wins. Let the mans get the wins. He deserves it, yo. God fucking bless, man. He's getting blessed. We love that. Kathy, we'll play next game. We're gonna let this one go. G Thomas, Linda, Tiffany, everybody, thank you guys. Thank you for all the
thank you
follows.
so fucking
God
much,
damn,
baby.
man. What you got? Elon Musk? Is he over there?
No, I think his wife is over here
Oh,
though.
his wife. Shit.
Or mine's. I think my wife is over here, bro. Come in, team. Locked in. Come in, locked in, team.
That's crazy.
Yo, Rochelle. Yo, team. Nah, so not big up Rochelle to in a chat, you know.
It's alright, Kathy. It's all
Want
good.
to know big up
I didn't-
Rochelle
I didn't
to in
know
a
how-
chat.
This is the first time battling.
Want
this
to know big
gentleman,
up
so
Rochelle
I-
cause
I
Maki
wasn't
up on
sure.
drop a lion.
Okay. We just go to the regs. Miss Mojo.
Tell
what up,
Maki a
Mojo?
fought for a long time. Maki no con drop a lion.
all the-
Maki me bad at tea con drop a lion.
These guys smoke.
Come in, team. Use that double. Use that double, my team. Use the double. Use the double. Come in, my team. Use the double. We can push same way. We can push same way. Anything we have, we can drop it, team. Use the double, my ladies. Use the double. Use the double. Use the double. Money G, holy pa love in a sissy po. Use the double, team. Use the double, team. Tracy, thank you. Use the double, my
We'll
ladies.
leave it,
Use the
we'll leave
double, my ladies. Use the double. Team, I want to show my support at them. Put same way for real team. Make we help and push my ladies. Make we help and push Marshall.
XSV.
Make we help and push team.
No, how to, all them do is clean hard. Alright.
Swan, thank you so fucking much. Thank you so much, Swan.
Wild, man.
Thank you.
Hey, GG's in the chat. G Thomas and Kathy.
Come in, my
Thank
team.
you
We
for
are big on
trying.
our
I
push
appreciate
team.
you
On my
guys.
be now share up your
No
life.
pressure, no stress.
But me not see none of me support them
We're gonna go
from
one and done with this gentleman
God,
here.
just a Money
We'll go
G
find a
and
different
who
game,
else
though, but
there?
GG in the chat. Thank you for trying. Thank you for
Tracy
trying.
there too. Marshall as always there. Team we not see nobody not there. Simply the best. Thank you. You know, see some of everyday people in my team. Whole heap of love my team. I appreciate you. We can play one more, bro.
No, bro, I gotta go find it. I gotta find. I'm a little dog. I'm a little dog compared to you, bro. I gotta go find something small.
No. My girlfriend. No. What happened was my girlfriend was just passing through and she went crazy.
Wildness.
Yeah, that's it, bro. I promise I won't do that the next game.
No, you're good. I can give you a follow though, and then I'll link with you after, next time. Well, no, deadass though. I can't do this shit. I don't got the big games in me right now. Bro.
Okay, bro.
I appreciate and respect it. I'm glad you're getting blessed though.
But you sent the request, bro.
I did, bro. It was the first time meeting you, bro. What the fuck? Bad first impression. Yeah, for real though, yo, God bless you, bro. I'm glad you're getting
God bless
blessed,
you.
bro. Hey, yo, nice
God
to meet you
bless you too,
officially,
bro.
bro.
I'ma give
Nice
you
to
back
meet
a
you.
follow.
Yeah, I
Hold
got
up.
you, bro. I got you, bro.
I'm gonna give you back a follow.
Yeah, absolutely, bro.
Hold up,
Much
don't
love,
jump
bro.
in there. Rochelle,
Kathy and
wife.
G Tom, thank you for trying.
Thank you. Money G, Sassy One, Tracy. Simply the best. Someone, Marshall, Vivian. Health is wealth. Thank you. Everybody who come support me. Big up. Okay, bro.
All right,
Bless
bro. Stay
up.
blessed, brother. God bless.
Yeah.
GG.
Oh, that's it. Them friend. Yo, man said, God damn, man, I'm not playing you again. Yo, chat. Yeah. It's been a while. I'm not allowed to tell you. Boy, I don't know.
Whoa, we are friends.
Oh, don't know. Oh, I go on.
Yeah. Happy
Everything
birthday,
good?
thank you. Yeah.
That is it, man, Emmy. Go and bless up yourself, Lando, bro.
Holy name of God.
That is it, you know. Big head mackerel, big up yourself too, you know.
I'm
Take care of yourself, here. My day, man, bro. Yeah, do it right, here. Go and do it, my brother. Force, here.
Come, let's play one match. Come on.
Oh, you play one? Okay.
One, just one.
Just one. Oh, I'm not go win you, Emmy. I'm not win you.
So I don't know that.
No, I'm not no smoke, Emmy. Smoke not there.
Move ice cream for your mouth and go ahead. Hello, stop, sorry. You see, my now can you remember you? But what me do
Team,
with
can
ice
you use that triple here? Yo, Lando!
Yo.
May I connect you, bro?
Alright, my brother. Alright.
Yo,
Triple tap.
yeah, use a triple, use a triple,
Guys, give
use a
triple
triple,
tap.
use a triple. More,
Guys,
thank you, use a triple
Guys,
team.
give triple,
Use a
guys.
triple, sassy one, holy pal of
Buy
you.
one, get two
Use
free.
the first triple, use the first triple, use the
Buy
first
one, get
triple.
two free.
free
Use the
chat.
first triple. Use the first triple, my team. Use the first triple. Gorgeous. Thank you. Snipe. Nice. Okay, big up yourself, you know. Snipe.
My blood clot chat truth. My tricks that come. You see, I came in. And him chat and go
What up in our screen?
Tap shot rose is like the speed.
Yes, that's all.
Thank
Some can wake up with speed.
you.
Yeah, with the begging now.
Come in, chat. I'm going to take him down, guys.
Guys, taps and roses to make speed. Taps and roses to make speed chat. Taps and roses to make
Power tap.
speed.
We're going to take him.
Roses and top steam, I could get another speed, my life. Whoa, that speed I come quickly, man.
Speed,
Chat,
there,
man, take him down,
speed.
chat,
Chat
take him
is
down.
second speed I come.
It's a double in a chat. Everybody play upon the double. Take him down.
Wait for the double, wait for the
Katie, wait for the
double.
speed.
Katie, wait.
Not take him
Wait,
down.
no, Shafi, wait for the speed.
Guys,
Come catch his speed, chat.
Chat 2 and I'd catch his speed.
guys, 2-1 hard. I make a walk it chat. Everybody play
We not
together.
blow.
Two and a half, my ladies. Two and a half. Two and a half.
Must have gloves?
Me not
Wait,
blow.
come here, baby.
Chat 2 and I'd.
One more chat.
Britannia, thank you.
Oh, we have a double.
One
Why
more.
you love me, baby?
Alright, Island, thank you. Guys.
Make sure that then I can.
Double.
Guys, go open the double chat. Go open the double.
Double my ladies, double my ladies, double my ladies, double. Use the double my ladies, use the double my ladies, use the double.
Katie. Guys, come now, chat, come
Guys,
everybody. Listen, thank you guys, come chat, come. Chat, guys, we can still do it. Ambi, thank you. Chat, come, chat, come.
Thank you, team.
Chat, don't give up, guys.
Fuck Rosa, Holy Palo, you know.
Thank you,
Go,
guys.
team, go,
Chat,
team,
thank
go.
you, Bambi.
Rosa, pick
Chat,
up yourself, you know.
Chat,
Go,
don't
my
give up.
ladies,
Ambi,
go,
thank you.
my ladies, go. Rosa, thank you. All of my ladies, come
Natalia,
together,
Nancy,
go.
chat. Go open the double. Go open the double.
Rosa, my daughter, big up yourself, you know, my daughter.
Guys, we don't have no gloves.
Holy Palo,
Savannah.
go, Sassy one, Holy Palo, you
Have a glow.
know. Go, my team, 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 go. Go, my
And
team,
them
go,
try.
my team,
Them
go.
try.
Yeah. Guys,
Chat, at least we try, chat.
Grim, you could have sent that
Use the
glove
glove chat.
earlier.
Use the glove. Use the glove.
Use a glove, chat. Use a glove.
Guys,
Chat, use the glove.
gloves. Guys, gloves and gifts.
Chat.
Chrissy, thank you.
Chat and
Guys, if you connect on it,
chat.
chat,
Use it.
chat, use it.
Thank
Chrissy,
you.
that connect. Guys, say there,
Use
it's
the
a
glove,
connect.
chat. Use the glove.
Come on some donuts, everybody, guys. Everybody, come on some donuts.
Use it, chat.
Come on
Use
some
it.
donuts on the glove chat. Donuts. Guys, come.
This is me. Granville. Alright. Yeah, 45 gloves.
Yeah, what about gloves,
never
girl? Tell them to use the gloves and gifts. Anything
Chat,
for the
donut,
5 times.
donut, chat,
Chat,
donut.
anything for the 5 times.
Boy, let me do not now. Go catch that score.
Chat,
You find them
anything for the
gloves,
5
you know.
times.
You need some puss and zebras.
Rosalie, you can't win. Hush. Rosalie said me can't win. Suppose me shock you.
If people them can use the gloves still in it, oh, I don't know.
Okay, I play a next one. You want to play a next
No more
one?
gloves.
Alright, one last one.
Alright.
No more. Chat. Let's see every glove.
Rosalie
See
said
every
you
glove.
cannot win.
Me see.
We'll prove them wrong.
Come in, chat. There is.
People lock off their light for the
At 10 o'clock on the dot. Check on the phone. At 10 o'clock on the dot. That's why.
Where we are go?
Alright. That was somewhere we like.
People lock off their light for the
We're playing, guys. Everybody, please go and recharge. We'll play one more match.
No,
after
no,
that.
I never knows them on team. At 10 o'clock, never knows like that. But 10 o'clock, never knows like
One more game after this, guys. Please, everybody, go recharge. Chat,
Oh, I
please,
feel
me a
like-
beg no. Everybody, go recharge.
Emmy, a nicest ice cream that ever eat in your life. No, talk it true.
No. It's nice, but I've tasted something better.
Than that,
Yeah.
me not believe you.
Lando
Which
can
buy you
tell.
get that? Which buy you get that?
Devil O's.
No, me know I never know say that, but which buy you get the ice cream are better than it?
I don't know. I can't remember. I have short-term memories.
You know a lie you tell. You know a lie you tell.
No, I don't remember if it's true.
Bumbo clot.
What?
Oh, no, no,
Christy,
no,
thank you,
no,
Twins. Katie, Harriet, Ambi, Britannia, Mr. Sweet, Granville. That girl.
don't know how slow, so that.
Guys, please, this is the last one.
Chat,
What you like the
forward
banana
chat.
flavor, Emmy?
Eh?
What you like the banana slide? Banana.
Plant and slide, me dog.
Yo, bro. Nobody tell no lie. A whole heap of people there over here, no my youth. Banana slide.
guys, this is the
banana
last
slide.
one.
Yes,
Rosalie said we cannot win. Let's prove her wrong.
Come in, chat.
Bright,
Alright, come in, my team. Thank you, my lady, so much. Really appreciate it. Thank you, Rochelle.
Yeah, Bright.
Because everybody was support.
Alright, chat. See triple.
First gift
Go.
First gift triple chat. First gift
First gift triple chat. First gift triple.
First gift triple chat. First gift triple. Guys,
Chat,
first
first
gift
gift
triple.
triple.
Everybody we are power tap thank you.
First gift triple chat. Guys, use the first. Just use the first
Thank
triple
you
chat.
for the glove.
That's it.
Guys, use the glove.
Use it, chat. Use it, chat. Use it.
Granville, thank
Chat,
you.
use it. Granville, thank
Come,
you.
chat, don't give up. Chrissy, thank
Come in,
you.
chat. Play.
Guys, come,
Thank you
chat,
so
come.
much, mommy.
Guys,
Sexy
Chat,
Jenny,
come,
thank
come,
you
come.
so
Like
much.
triple and glove, chat,
Go,
come.
go, go, go.
Springer. That is it. Come, chat, Britannia.
Chat, use
What's
the triple.
it? Jesus Christ, hold on, I'm over there, shoot that
I really come and never go recharge one thing.
No recharge, yeah?
Money gun
No
go, we know
recharge, let me
Eh.
Feel them.
Springer, thank you guys. Please wait for the next speed. Wait for the next speed.
Yo.
Taps and roses, taps and roses. Take the next speed.
Me myself too talented for writer, so. When I go and play with my sign, I'm too talented.
Hey, don't make me have to go recharge.
Bro, I recharge.
No. Calm
Let him
down.
have a moment.
Yeah.
Never once a time him shining not down.
Guys, come on, chat. Come on, chat.
Yo, watch out now. Watch out.
Guys, hold the faith, guys. Hold the faith. Two Anna, guys. Two Anna catch the speed.
Well, we am gone.
You never know
I
who's
don't
watching.
Wi-Fi.
Two.
No, I think you never know who's watching.
Wait, Lion!
Guys, two Anna. Chat, come in, guys. Come in, chat. Please, guys.
Chat, come together. Two Anna
Chat,
chat.
catch his speed.
Two Anna, guys.
Chat,
Two Anna.
speed. We can't understand
Two
his
Anna,
speed
chat.
before
Two
time
Anna. Two
run
Anna.
out,
Two Anna.
chat.
Two Anna.
Lord
Chat,
Jesus.
come on, chat. Don't give
One
up.
more
Kelly,
now,
thank you.
One more now. Come,
One
chat,
more, guys.
come.
One
One
more,
more,
one more.
Anna. Chat, one more, Anna.
Prezi, thank you. Kiki, good. Fifi.
Can I use this
Come in,
phone?
Chat. Double chat. Guys, double.
Chat, any money got Anna?
Guys,
do
use
not
the
go
Man
with
said somebody
the
can't.
cookies.
Man said somebody can't.
Chat,
Come on, chat. Use it. Man said.
Chat, come.
Double times five. Double times five. Double times five. Hmm?
Chat, gloves and double.
Never give up, B. You never know what can go on. Use the double chat.
Thank you. Go doubles, my team. Go doubles.
Guys, times two, times five.
Go doubles,
Times
my
three,
team. Go doubles, go doubles, go doubles.
Chat, appreciate it. Send the gloves and the double chat. Gloves and double. Hello?
Rochelle, thank you.
Oh my God.
Yes, we can. Holy love. Let's see.
That's him, that's him.
Black heart. Pande
My
up.
very active. Your appetite gone.
My appetite got too blood clot.
What a let me have here. Nobody did it. I'm happy, Gary. Aye.
Chat, thank you so much. Everybody will try. Thank you so much. Big up on yourself. Spring, Chrissy, guys, yo,
And
you know,
it's
Yes, so much, my ladies.
come
Thank
on,
you
chat.
so much, my ladies.
Chat, nobody on the Interstellar. Nobody on the yacht.
My score look bad though.
You what? Shut up for the conket. I will conket it. Don't upset my spirit. What's going on?
Me like, but I'm not saying that. Don't upset my spirit.
Why feel it, man? Me not lick.
Eh?
Oh, don't, what do you mean by
Sorry.
Chat.
Power tap your life, power tap your life, power tap your life.
Mother, who was that man in your class?
So, Hakim,
Yo, bro.
see, it's a woman's strength you have, you know.
Out your camera.
See what I go on.
My why you go say that I'ma do the husband the same thing to charge it.
When, where?
Are we conquering?
When?
If you want me to draw for a couple of screenshots with these points on it, I dearly have them, my friend. Okay?
Where is
I have
Savannah?
them, so I don't want you there in front of your girl and go on like
Where's
say,
Savannah?
yeah, the bad people, you know that.
Where's Savannah?
Hey!
Savannah from Orlando?
Yo.
Oh,
Come in, power tap your life, my team.
Savannah
Chat, we
there.
have to go take revenge,
But
you know,
Kimmy-
guys. We have to go take revenge. Come in, chat.
Kimmy there? Kimmy there?
Yes, it's Savannah.
Savannah!
Savannah!
She want to be in me, I be like.
Alright, chat, guys. Thank everybody. Everybody, thank you so much for the support, guys. Thank you so much, chat. No worry, man. Hakeem.
Chat said 2
You will
universe
be
now,
seeing
2
me.
universe, chat, 2 uni.
Yo, me have a connect you.
Alright, my bro.
Please.
Yeah.
Alright, my bro. No say nothing,
2
man.
uni.
Alright.
That we have to go take revenge.
Emmy. Mackerel. Big up on yourself, you know.
Big up.
Don't run yet. Me thank my people, bro.
Alright, no problem.
Blackheart. Thank you, my mother. Me appreciate your support where you come
So
give me.
we keep
Big
the
up,
chat
you know.
positive, guys.
Rochelle.
Keep the chat positive.
Thank
Keep
you.
the chat
Oh
positive,
God,
guys.
people want to know big up Rochelle, but you know I want to know big up.
Guys, everybody were there. Thank you so much. Thank you so much. Who said that? Who said that? Who said that? Who said that?
Come
Wait
on, us striving a life together. Cause right now, I want to be the bride's girl, the girl who can.
Black and cement.
What them be bride's girl?
Spring always. Thank you so much. Chrissy, thank you. Granville, Katie, Britannia, Shanshan. Worth it or not. Prezi, Hennessy, Minnie. God bless on the chat. Thank you so
And
much.
Savannah and Kimmy and
My bro.
Stacey.
Yo, me
I
big
hear me,
up,
father.
bro.
Ah, tell her, you hear that, my God?
Yeah. Bless up, my brother.
Ah, you will be seeing me.
Okay, bro, no problem.
Ah, bro, bless.
Bumbo clot. Jesus Christ.
Power on. Bluetooth mode. Connected.
Jesus Christ.
Watch me. I'm sitting at the top of
I can't help smiling when I look at you. To keep from going crazy is all I can do. I'm so defenseless with you so close. Walls have crumbled from my body and soul. Write your name across my heart. I want the world to know that I am yours forever. And I'll wear it like a shining star. Write your name across my heart. Oh yeah. For you my life is an open door.
Jesus Christ.
Everything I have is yours. I'll try to give you everything you need.
Jesus.
But as far as
Jesus Christ. Sorry.
love
Hold on,
goes,
pause, team.
there's a line.
Fuck. Me get catch. Chad, Don't send me no kissy face again. Don't send me no kissy face again, yeah? Because me hear say when the girl them send kissy face, them a wait for you for kiss back. So them send you the kissy face and put the camera at them boom boom. You see what me I say? Them send you kissy face and put the camera at them boom boom. Hold on no babes, a real thing me I tell your wife, no joke thing. A real thing me I tell you right now. Real thing me dep on right now, and a joking thing me dep on wifey. I tell you wifey. Them put the camera wifey pan them when them send the kissy face, them put the camera them pum pum. So when they go so instead of kiss back off her pum pum get the kiss. It called virtual bowing. Me not like that. So please, I am asking my ladies to refrain, and I'm going to repeat myself. I'm asking my ladies to refrain from sending me kissy face, because I don't want to make the mistake and make it become virtual bowing. Thank you.
When I look at you,
thank you, lady.
I can't help smiling when I look at you. To keep from going crazy is all I can do. I'm so defenseless with you so close. Walls have crumbled from my body and soul. Write your name across my heart.
Write it by your forehead, babes.
I want the world to know that I am yours forever. And I'll wear it like a shining star.
Jesus Christ.
Write your name across my heart.
Jesus Christ.
For you, my life is an open door.
Boy, babes. Boy, babes, me not understand them, me no me be. Yes, what me I say? Me help out me woman from a dire situation where any man in a them right mind who love them girl with a help her as same like me. And I saw when you help the girl, I get cuss feet. Hey baby, come here. I'm a reason with you, young lady. I'm a reason with you. You see anytime me vex with you, babes? I don't know nobody or nothing make me vex with you. And me make me vex with you. You know why? Because you always don't listen to me. Yes, what me I say? So me just I tell you say, nobody can program me, tell me who me feel love, and tell me who me feel deal with. Yeah, nanan? Yes. So nobody not tell me what to do. So yes, when you see me get up and me say, I want Rosie pan a hop and I want Rosie in a done life, I that me say. Babes, nobody no program me. And say, don't pick up fear or don't love her or she do this or she do that. Sometimes the more than talk bad boy, sometimes I that make me there. Cause sometimes you hand out me ras. But the more them say bad things about your babes, I eat. Make me come back enough time and say, I go show no say me nah left her. and make you feel no way and them thing. I cause sometimes when you take her make mockery, you know. I'm sure to say, yo, watch her now. She's gonna can't mock her. Come there. Yeah man, me and her chew it down wicked on the phone. You ever see Mortal come back? Yeah man. If Tickers the day in front of me, see Tickers there. And if Tickers, where me and Tickers chew it down on the phone. If Tickers the day in front of me, all it left for me do is but I'm not gonna do that to my baby. Come here, babes. I'm not here that joke, man. I'm not here that, babes. Come. But I can assure you that we love one another very much. That's what I say. Boy, I'm not gonna say vote till death do us part, you know, cause let me tell you this, miss. You can't part. Okay? You can't part. Until you get on top of my nerves again, I'm just cuss you out and tell you something I can't bother with you. Yeah. But differently, you can't part. Gracias. Everybody who come out and support me, gracias. We are come off 10:30, we not play no more match with nobody. We go and play some song, and that we are do. That we are do my team. That we are do and build up your vibe.
Everything I have is yours. I'll try to give you everything you need. But as far as love goes, there's a lifetime guarantee. Write your name across my heart. I want the world to know that I am yours forever. And I'll wear it like a shining star. Write your name across my heart.
Celebrating 25 years. Digicel, powered by you, connected by us.
Find it, book it, make it yours. Booking.com.
And babes, I know that you're saying a baby. But like how your sister me really care about you, I'ma show it in actions, cause I always say me care about you, and you always say you don't care about me, I care about you. I'ma show it in actions. Just prove yourself to my girl. That's all you have to do, babes. You not even have to tell me, just prove yourself to my girl. Cause I know say you can do it. I watch you. I know you. That's why when you do, you decide not to, it gets me so fucking mad. So just do the right thing and
Booking.yeah.
yes, what I say? Just do the right thing, man. Don't come cuss with nobody. Cause babes, I'm tell you, them know me how you talking and them know I'm talk to you, babes. Yes, what I say? But them just have to just try find something to say. Yes, what I say? I'm not even gonna talk to you over here. You're the best girl in the world. You're perfect, yeah, babes. When you kick it off on the phone, I tell you what enough to do. Not over here, so.
You're the bravest of hearts, you're the strongest of souls. You're my light in the dark, you're the place I call home. You can say it's alright, but I know that you're breaking up inside. I see it in your eyes.
Babes, are you this and you see your name?
You face the
Write your name across my forehead.
That's why I'll be there when the sun rises up, when the shadows descend.
Yo.
Every beat of my
You see all them song you play, babes? A rose there in front of me. And me a whisper in her ears and me a say, my girl, ramp with me, you know. The son come like you want to hide the pussy from me. You know the pussy is my one, my girl. Stay stand up, stay some boom and rub all my tongue in your ears. Rub my tongue for your neck and kiss up all your neck and look for you and say, yo, my girl, what the fuck you are doing? Slap up all your body and stay some. And I look for you and I try to broke round your neck for those kiss off your lips them and something. While me just a squeeze a bit into them as ears of your body and stay some. You see it, I'm just a whisper in your ears. You say, what the fuck you say? Take off your jaws off. The one know I came here, so what the fuck I say? Stop rambling. Stop rambling. I just go stand drape you. And you say, man, you just see you serious. Because a woman will let you choke and shoot you in the world. And I look in here. And you say, I came here, don't hurt me, you know. So you don't hurt me. When the storm rises up, when the shadows descend, every beat of my heart, every day. I will stand like a rock. I will bend till I'm ready. Till there's no more to give. That's what it takes. I will risk everything. I will find I will be. I will lay down my life. If that's what you need. Every step. I look in your eye. They stay so boom and I say, yo, so you deal with me so long. Touch you for your mom, so shut up. Shut up. So say something to your blood clot mouth. Say something. Shut up. Should be down all up on the bed and hold your clothes and just start rip them off of you. You see what I say? And I when you push off me and I say, no, I can't say, yo, stop no. Take off your jaws and just slowly I take it off. I know them time they are dripping wet in my breast and look out for your pussy and you try hide it and you say, yo, move your hand. Say your pussy with you go like you know mama know that. You say, okay, you know you're gonna make it wet. And I say, yo, put my dick right there, so. You would take it up and say, what I say, take out my thing, no one will it in your hand. Alright, Akeem. I should have sold all the thing in her hand. Me I said, oh, the page, John! Sorry, man! Back to regular life! That's the promise I made. Baby, that's what I need. If that's what it takes. So me get the restriction. When the fear alright, it come in early. When the waves are high, I will lay down. Chad, I'm sorry. A long time we don't do dirty talk over here. Bongo dongo. Alright, team. I just get 3 wicked restriction a while ago, so I can't say. I'm sorry, Chad. That's what I say. Yo, team, as I say, a long time I not tell no my deal of the thing. Thank you so much, princess. I appreciate you, baby. Yeah, team, but I saw me stay, man. Me is a man, me all watch you, man. Make you all a ramp with all yourself, man. And me have all my weed a bone out and I watch you. And you say, I want to stop and me I say, yo, do it. Do it now. I'm just a watch you. That's what I say, I'm a bone out my spliff. I say, yo, ramp with yourself. Yo, watch on the team later. Love one on the page. The page, love one. Love one of my lady's wife. Thank you, my baby, for the support. I love you so much, princess.
Alright, man, I'm playing one Celine Dion where
Celine Dion. Me the sing for graduation.